The Magic Hat. Danny was a boy who loved magic. He had a collection of magic tricks, magic books, magic videos, and magic games. He liked to watch magic shows, learn magic secrets, and perform magic tricks. He dreamed of becoming a magician someday, and maybe even having his own magic show. But there was a problem. He wasn't very good at magic. He often messed up his tricks, forgot his secrets, and failed to impress his audience. He felt embarrassed and discouraged. He wished he could improve his skills and confidence. He decided to make his wish come true. He decided to find a magic hat. He had heard that a magic hat was the most important accessory for a magician. He had heard that a magic hat could make anything appear or disappear, change or transform, move or fly. He had heard that a magic hat could help him perform amazing and impossible feats of magic. He wanted to have one. He searched for one in every store and online shop he could find. He looked for one that was black and tall and shiny. He looked for one that had a hidden compartment and a secret mechanism. He looked for one that had a special label and a mysterious history. He couldn't find one. He was disappointed and hopeless. He decided to give up on his search and settle for what he had. He decided to use his old baseball cap as his magic hat. It was a plain and worn-out cap that he had since he was little. It was blue and red and white. It had a logo of his favorite team and a signature of his favorite player. It had no hidden compartment or secret mechanism. It had no special label or mysterious history. It was just a cap. But it was Danny's cap. And he loved it. He decided to make the best of it. He cleaned up the cap and put it on his head. He turned on his camera and recorded himself doing some tricks. He used the cap as a prop and a tool for his magic. He pulled out objects from the cap, such as cards, coins, flowers, and rabbits. He made objects disappear into the cap, such as balls, rings, scarves, and doves. He changed objects with the cap, such as colors, shapes, sizes, and materials. He moved objects with the cap, such as levitating, spinning, bouncing, and flying. He did all kinds of tricks with the cap, some old and some new, some easy and some hard, some simple and some complex. He was creative and clever and skillful and daring. He didn't mess up or forget or fail. He performed well and smoothly and successfully. He impressed himself and his audience. He uploaded his video online and waited for the feedback. He hoped people would like it and praise it. He hoped people would be amazed and entertained by it. He hoped people would be his fans and followers too. The feedback came quickly and positively. People liked his video and praised his performance. People were amazed and entertained by his tricks. People became his fans and followers too. They commented on his video and said things like, "Wow, that was awesome. How did you do that? That was so cool. You are very talented. That was amazing. You are a great magician." They also asked him questions about his tricks and his hat. They wanted to know more about him and his magic. They wanted to learn from him and be like him. They said things like,